Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Forever Propolis Cream. First, ensure your skin is clean and ready for application. Begin by washing the area with a mild cleanser to remove any impurities or makeup. After cleansing, gently pat your skin dry with a soft towel, but leave it slightly damp. This helps the cream absorb better. Always do a small patch test on a discrete area to check for any sensitivities before full application. Now, let's apply the cream. Take a small, pea-sized amount of Forever Propolis Cream onto your clean fingertip. This is usually enough for a small area. Gently massage the cream into your skin using light, upward, circular motions. Ensure even coverage over the desired area. Give the cream a few minutes to fully absorb into your skin before applying other products or makeup. For optimal results, consistency is key. We recommend applying Forever Propolis Cream twice a day, once in the morning and again in the evening. Regular use over several weeks will help you see the most significant benefits. Remember to store your cream properly in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight, to maintain its potency and extend its shelf life. Forever Propolis Cream offers wonderful benefits, helping to soothe and deeply moisturize dry, irritated skin. Its natural ingredients work to support a healthy skin barrier, promoting a more comfortable and radiant complexion. We hope these steps help you integrate this cream into your routine effectively. For more great tips and deals, and to find a book that can truly change how you think about money, please check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.